Listen, Ariana.
Do you want to take another one over there?
I think this is fine.
That's fine.
Excellent.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm glad I could help you today.
Yes, always will. Thank you. Ready? Ready?
Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa LS do Salud. Ayan. So, this is an island here in Caribbean na kung saan naging tourist spot na. It's actually an old cell, no? Kulungan dati ng mga preso. Ito yung tapunan ng mga preso dati. So, ayan. Ito yung mga cell nila, which is parang ghost town na. Oh my god. So, ganyan kaliit yung ano nila dito, no? Yan. So, later on, I will tell you, kasi babasahin ko muna yung history nito, no? I will tell you what exactly is the history of this place and what are the people being thrown here. So, yeah. Ayan, no? Yung mga nakasulat, no? Yan. It's a good island actually. When you go out there, it's a good place, but the time na makarating na kayo dito sa yun, parang manghihilabot kayo kasi yun, parang nakakatakot siya kasi parang ilang taon na rin ang nakalipas dito at ilang tao na rin ang nagsuffer sa mga kulungang ito. Oh my god. At ngayon, yan, buhay na buhay pa rin. Ngayon, palabas kami ng cell. Ito naman yung area dito. Ito yung parang camp ng mga military before, no? So ayan, medyo pinagdaanan na talaga ng panahon, nakikita nyo. Ayan. Wow. By the way, ito pala kasama ko. Yan. Oh my goodness. So ayan. So nabasa ko ngayon. The decree of September 4th, 1891 established a disciplinary commission that judged the convicts and imposed punishments like the prison at night, the isolation cell, and the dungeon. Between 1892 and 1895, the disciplinary camp was thus built for the difficult convicts. What? See this picture, guys? Ayan. They're killing the convicts, you know. They are punishing them. Oh my god. So there's a lot of people died here in this area. Oh my goodness, man. That's why I feel, you know, very different. Yeah. So this was built in 1800s.
You know, if there is
before.
somebody want to escape here,
Yeah.
they will move him to the other island.
Ah, okay.
That one we
The
call
other island,
Devil's Island.
Devil's Island.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Can we go there?
No?
No?
Different island, man.
Alright, so let's read something here. So ayan guys, yan yung Devil's Island. Yan yung sinasabi na pag may mga gustong tumakas na mga prisoners dito, yan, dyan nila dadalhin sa Devil's Island. So yeah, it's quite different here. I don't know, there's so much excitement kanina nung papunta pa lang ako dito kasi makikita mo yung isla, napakaganda. But the time na nakapunta kami dito, nakapasok dun sa mga cell na yun, yan, medyo kakaiba, medyo nakakilabot. So, but it's still good, you know, because we're able to feel something different, you know, mixed emotions. Yeah.